little bit done in the basement today, my friends. I'll show you what I did down there in a minute, but first I'll show you what I did out here in the flower patch. Brought my other big rock up here. It's not quite as big as that one, but it balances off the garden area here by moving it up here. I planted our Easter lilies in the ground. I waited until all the blooms fell off of them before I brought them out here. They got a lot of little bulbs coming on around the roots. Hopefully they'll live there. Maybe they'll come back next year. Put two of my whirligigs up here, a ladybug and a redbird. Rose bushes are starting to grow pretty good. Let's go down to the basement and see what I did down there. Good day, Froggy. Just a short little just a short little update on the basement. I pulled that what used to be a desk out and put it over here. Built me a shelf under here this morning. Some of my leftover 2x4s and pieces of wood. And I mounted my dust separator up on here. Dust separator is right there. So when the vacuum comes through the window, which I didn't get around to doing yet, the vacuum hose is going to stick right in there. It'll be sucking dirt right through the separator. Now this hose goes through a hole I drilled in the end of the workbench. And this hose is indeed too short. So I need to get a longer one. But hopefully my vacuum will be outside and we won't hear it at all. I want to build me a sanding station right here. Just a square frame with vented holes on top of it. So say I had a project I wanted to sand on, I could lay it right on top of that sanding station and sand away, and the vacuum would keep the sand and dust sucked right up into the separator. Get ready to saw. I just move the hose over here to my scroll saw. So I got a little bit accomplished today. Certainly didn't get around to putting my vacuum hose through the wall. But you can see I moved the drill press over here. If I got a lot of drilling to do, I can move it up here, lift it right up here. It's not that hard to lift it. I need to stash more tools, clean out these empty boxes what my scroll saw came in, and get my toolboxes stashed under there, and do some organizing. But I'm getting a little better organized here in the basement. I need to do some more work on my railroad corner. This is going to conclude my vlog for today, my friends.